Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to integrate SonarQube with the Jenkins project. So first, let us set up the SonarQube, and we have to set up the quality gate, and then we will create a new project as per our requirement, and then we will set up the repository that SonarQube will use to analyze the code, and if there are any code smell and if there are any vulnerabilities reported in the code, so based on the quality gate it will be reported. So now this is the SonarQube I have set up, and here let me go to the quality gates, and here this is the built-in SonarWay quality gate, and I have set up the new one, ACG way. So here we can see that these are the conditions for on the new code. Like if the coverage has to be, if it is less than 80%, then it will report the issues, and it will analyze the duplicated lines. And if it is greater than 3%, then it will fail the stage. And similarly, we can set up these stages like the maintainability rating and the reliability rating, security rating. And also, we can set up the conditions on the overall code. If the coverage is less than 80%, then it will fail it. So I have set up this as the default quality gate. So this will be used for all the projects. So now I'm going to create a new project. Under the projects, click on create project. So I'm going to create a local project. So here I'm going to use this simple solar system repository. So you can name it simple solar system, and specify the branch. So currently I have only one branch. So that is the main branch, and then click on next. So here you can set up the project for clean as you code. So this is the global settings, and here you can set up the custom also. So I'm going with the default one. So any code that has changed since the previous version is considered new code. Okay, this is the baseline for the new code for this project, and click on create project. Okay, so our project has been created. Now let us set up the repository that Sonar can analyze it. So here there are different options, whether you want to go with the Jenkins or GitHub Actions. So based on your requirement, you can set up this. So now I'm going to use the locally, and here create the project token. So this is the token name, simple solar system. And here you can set the expiry, like I'm setting up, for example, no expiration, and click on generate. You can also set up like 30 days or 90 days. So let's say if we can set up 30 days and click on generate. So this is the token it got generated, and you can copy this token. Okay, and you can just keep it in the notepad and click on continue. So here you can run analysis on your project. So what is option? You can specify the code that you are using in your project. So here I'm choosing the other, which can be JavaScript or Go, Python, can be any of the other than this Maven, Gradle, and .NET. Okay, next, based on the OS version, you can download the scanner. So I'm using Linux, so I'll be using this command. And if you have a Windows or Mac, based on that, you can download this Sonar and install it. And once you download the latest version, you can add it to the bin directory and export to the path variable. So now I'm going to copy this SonarQube analysis command. Let me put it in a notepad. Okay, so this is the like project key, simple solar system, and this sources it going to be analyzed in the current directory, or you can also specify the particular file that you want to analyze. And this is the URL of the SonarQube, and this is the token to log into the SonarQube. So let me take this and set it up in the Jenkins file. Okay, so I'm going to add a new stage. So this is the Copilot is suggesting. So I'll just go with this, and I can just remove some of them. I'll just remove this for now. Okay, let me fix the indentation. Okay, this will be executed in the shell. Since we have multiple line, we can use the sh. And let me close this. And let me fix the indentation here. Okay. Okay, now let me push this change. Add SonarQube stage. Okay, so next we have to install the SonarQube scanner plugin. So for that, you can go to the Jenkins, and under Manage Jenkins, go to the plugin. So here I have already installed the SonarQube scanner for Jenkins. So if this is the first time, you can also go to the available plugin, and here search for the SonarQube scanner. And since I have already installed, it is not showing up here. So you can just look up here once it is installed, SonarQube scanner for Jenkins. So once this is installed, next you can go to the Manage Jenkins, and under Tools, you have to set up the version that you want to install. So for example, here you have to go under the SonarQube scanner installation. So I have already set up this. So you have to give the name of the SonarQube scanner. So I have given Sonar here, and then you can choose the version that you want to install. So here I have choose the 7.1 version. It will be installed from the Maven Central. So once you have set up this, you can click on Save. And next we have to set up the stage in the Jenkins file to use that respective version also. So for that, we can choose the Sonar scanner. This line we can edit, and we can also add the environment. Okay, this is the environment variable Sonar scanner home, and the tool here. This is the name of the sonar under tools we have set up, and you can use this variable here /bin /sonar scanner. Okay, so before that we can also print the version of sonar scanner. Okay, so it will print the sonar scanner version, and we are using the version here, and this is the project key, and this is the source. We can also set up app.js, the file that we wanted to run the SonarQube, and this is the host URL, and this is the token. So now let me commit these changes and push it. Okay, now let me go to the Jenkins and click on build now. Okay, now build 20 is running. Okay, so this is the version where lib Jenkins tools. This is the Jenkins version from the tools that we have set up. And here under the SonarQube analysis, you can see that this is running and one file indexed. And this is the quality profile it is using, SonarWay. Okay, one source file has been analyzed. And here you can see analysis report generated and analysis successful. You can find the result in 192.168.0.122, which is our SonarQube server. So, okay, this sonar scanner engine completed successfully. Okay, now if I go back to the SonarQube server and here go to the projects, and now we can see that simple solar system project, and this is failed because it has met the condition. It require the code coverage has to be above 80%, but here what we see is just only 0%. That is the reason it has failed, since it is not met this condition. So in the next video we will see how the quality gate should give the status back to the Jenkins, so that the Jenkins should mark the stage as failed instead of green. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.